if you have a Mazda and you have a sunroof, chances are you're gonna have a leak somewhere at some point, at some time. And there a weep hole comes out somewhere inside the tire well. Okay. You can't get to it, you can't even really see it, but inside there's a little hole, and that's where it drains off to, and then drains off back at your jack point. So up here, you have your weep holes, which are down there underneath the armature, but can't get to them. So inside here, in your door, you will take this piece off, which is very simple to take off. Okay, just pop it off right here, take the trim off, the rubber trim, and you put a little trim tool behind there, pop it back, and then the whole thing pull this way. Inside there, you will find a tube. It is about yay big around. So you'll need like a coupler, hose clamps. Actually, you probably don't even need hose clamps. I used a piece of tubing from a cheap little vacuum pump. Worked great. Slide it in between the two, push them together, good as new. Never leak. Anyhow, so you pop that off, cut that thing in half, bam. Blow through it with a air compressor, what have you, run some brake clean. It cleans it out, you're good to go, but it's a bitch. So be prepared.